I don't remember that. I don't remember that either. Oh, I gotta put the right headset on. Testing, testing. We have good sound. Yeah, I don't really care. Ooh. Mm. What's up? Welcome to stream. Just hanging out today. Little wild stuff. Not too concerned with price action right now. It's a little chop chop chop. So I don't really too concerned with everything, but we'll see. We'll see if we find anything. Playing with some settings in. Turn this down just a tiny bit while I'm yapping. Playing with some settings in OBS because there's some differences I'm noticing. I don't know. I also lost my chat. Lost my chat. That's weird. Doc. Doc chat. There it is. So we have a big thunderstorm coming. My wife is very concerned. So seriously, I probably shouldn't be trading because power could go out. And you know, that's never fun. You kind of get in a trade and then you grab your phone. You're like, oh no. So we'll see. Low probabilities. Little dip, little dip, little dip. Let's chart this a little bit, huh? Start with the 15. We got a fair value gap. We're dipping into a second time, and that's an interesting close in the 5 minutes. I was expecting some chop, but now it looks like we have something. I'm not sure. We shall see. I can mute this over here. I don't need this anymore. And this, I can also turn down. I'm doing all this, and I could do this right on my headphones. Because they're cool headphones. Alright. So, I was using a different filter, but my other filter's showing me looking pretty bald, so I don't like it as much anymore. My hair's got to grow on. What do we want to do here? This is looking pretty bearish at the moment. What do you think? Anyone in the chat? Yeah, not really. I'd bet the majority of my good friend traders are out of the charts by now. So, what am I doing here? I don't know. I have an eval loaded up because this is not funded trader atmosphere right now. So, this is more about what are we doing? I need to get off of minis. Holy crap. Let's see. That's interesting. So we closed above this. Sibby, we're dipping into it again. Probably could call this an inversion at this point. So let's change this into a inversion. Or an inversion. Kind of like that. I kind of like consequent encroachment. It's pretty cool. Let's see, is this something? And nice little mitigation over here that we haven't used yet. So that's probably reasonable. But do you want to short into that, or do you want to take a trade off of it? Let's take a deviation of this order block here. Where's my fib, please? So, a deviation of this order block. So 2 deviations is down here. So that's pretty interesting. I don't know what the hell that was. I know what that is. That's a rejection block. I thought was important at the moment. You know what? I'll leave that on the chart for a second. That is a rejection block I really thought was important earlier today. And I was half right. I was half right that that was an important rejection block. We did dip into it, and then come all the way back down. But we then continued. So, yeah, I don't know. I think I kind of hurt my view here a little bit. I need a little bit more space to wiggle. Because I'm a little bit more animated than I've given myself room to be. All right, that's better. I just like la-di-da kind of whatever I do. So shorting into this seems more high probability than longing off of it, especially with the time. We got MOC. Yeah, you know what? I think I think this is probably not a good day to continue to trade. I think this might be a terrible time to get into a trade. So this might be a very short stream. This is very curious down here. This is very curious. I like this. Let's see. So MOC in 10 seconds, I think push down into this is probably likely. So we're going to get buy side. I mean sell side. Yep. And it's pretty lame. Right into buy side. So the short was better. Yeah, I think I was right. So what do I want to do? I really want to put a trade on. Yeah, I think we do push down. So I will decide in a moment. Hmm. Oh my God. Talk about a delayed reaction here. Wow, that was a seriously delayed reaction. Not thrilled with that at all. This is a terrible R trade. 76 tick stop loss. Down to an order block. That seems high probability, but might not be. We will see. Only want 20 bucks. So take out that. Yeah, that's what I want. Take out that. Oh my God, is this a terrible? Oh no, it's like 60 ticks. So it's a 1-to-1, basically. But this should not be way the hell up here. Yeah, not the best trade. But we'll see. We'll watch it play out for a couple minutes. So, wild day. Absolutely wild day. Good day to study. Very good day to study for me. And, yeah, I'm prepping for a storm that's coming. So, that's about all that's going on with me. Like I said, this trade is terrible. I'm gonna get stopped out probably, but that's fine. This is a small eval, and there's thunder in the background. So Yeah. Up now? No, no, no. I'm just I threw a trade on because I thought we were gonna tag the auto block, but I don't see it. This is super low probability. So 20 ticks, 40 ticks, stop loss, and it's coming for me. Yeah, this is nasty chop. Not worth my time, especially at the end of the day. And well, I'm gonna let it go. It's not doing what I wanted. Although I can foresee a push. Continuation to the south side. I don't know. And we'll see. We'll probably get what I want this moment now as we push up into the city. Actually, this is starting to show strength here. This closed above half. And this is going to just continue up. So let's just pretend I put a trade there to get back what I lost and watch me lose. And kapow. Got it back plus my target. But it's nasty. I called it though. That is the response after MOC, 5 minutes after MOC. Pure gamble. But I certainly was going to hold this trade I had on up into 150 ticks to get my target. So it's nasty. FOMC tomorrow. It's already nasty. We're going to chop out. Yeah, I don't see much point in continuing. Yeah, call it a day, guys. Have a good day. There's no real point in continuing this today. All right, signing off. Quick stream today.